So now we are going to actually match with the reference. So here it is. So as you can see, the jaw actually extends till here, and I'm checking the all other resources on the other references. So even if you see that jawline has been extending till here and then connects with the ears. So I'm going to add some more volume. One more thing is that I'm going to do it to add the neck, because once we add the neck, then we will be able to add the volume. Just like that. So basically once we add the neck, it will be more defined. So we'll select this. I'm just making a selection. I'm masking this area. Excuse me. So and I'm going to move this. First I actually just invert it. So if you want to invert a selection, simply press Ctrl and click on the viewport. So I'm inverting the selection, and then I'll move this detail here. Now I can actually match with the references. So I will first work on the neck. Here. And you can see I'm just filling out the information here, and here I will add the ears. So this ear should come here. Let's check one more time the references. As you can see, the ears are directly just aligned with the eyes, just above. So I will position the ears something here, and to add the ear, I will just click on IMM tool and add in sphere, and then we'll adjust it. Here is quite identical with the human ear, so I'm going to just take a reference from the human ear. Let me just add that some, define the shape. It is roughly matching with the shape and size. And once it is, we can adjust the size. So I'm just focusing to meet the shape, match with this. Now I can work on this. This is exactly similar like a human ear, so I'm just adding all the muscles just like you find in the human ear. That just connects and then ends the details here. One more time here. And then you add the details. So this defines the shape clearly. As you can see, I'm just focusing on to add the details. I'm increasing it. And then here. The basic difference between the human ear and chimpanzee ear is that it does not make a Y shape here. It just makes a C shape like this, and then this muscle moves inside. So like in that way. Then one more muscle attach, and then it just connects like this. And here is the cavity. Okay, I will adjust with the move brush a bit because I think we can do some improvements. Like this lower side should be more inside. Let's check some references from the front side. So you can see the top part of ear is quite away from the skull and the head, and then the lower tip just aligns with the with the jawline, simply like that. So I think I can actually pull this upper part a bit more, so that actually to give more chimp like look. And we'll then add a bit more depth, just as you can see. I'm just checking out with the other ear references also. You can see this part is more shifted towards the front. So basically I think I will use move brush and pull this area out, so that actually it just gets the exact and will then just fill it up. So okay, pretty much good. Now I'm going to focus on the neck part. As you can see, neck part is I'm just making out. We do not have reference for that, so actually we can take some references from the human neck. I'm just roughly laying out. So your ear aligns with the jawline, so that's why it goes like that. And the chimp mouth is more inflated along this side. So if you see the references, so this overall section is more inflated. That makes the lips. So I'm going to take references with this. I'll also cover the nose area. Here we go. And then we'll focus on adding more volume along here. So just like volume in the bottom, okay. I'm also looking with the references so that I do not overdo, and if I actually add excess details, so I can actually just roll back to that. I think I will use move brush, and actually I can adjust this head a bit like this, slightly upper, and then I can just add the volume all across. And that's how it makes the front part of the mouth. And you can see I'm just noticing the difference that this makes a complete sphere. So I think I have made a lower jaw a bit more prominent, so I'm going to just reduce it. Here I can just take the references. So on the lower side it is more narrowed down, so I will use trim dynamic. We'll start trimming down the jaw. Can I see this here? Here I will also trim this area so that the jawline should not look too much away, and now this will look more better. I will add some volume here. Now this is looking more prominent in this case. One more thing to note: the lip. I need to define the lip, that from where actually I'm just going to make it fold it. So I'll just take it and just start moving down. So the upper lip actually can define. Similar, and you can see this is the cheekbone and here is the cavity. So I will adjust this a bit. Actually I will add some more volume here to fill this up, because our chimp is looking a bit more skinny. I'm just trying to adjust the shape along the eyes, the cheekbone. The area along the eye side, this cavity is very important, that's why just trying to match this up. And you can see these connects with the this muscle connects here. It's simply like it's just going to connect this side, and that's how it just makes the overall face. So I'm going to bit reduce this. Here, like this. Okay, this is better. I'm just checking out if I can just make it more narrow. The lower lip, lower jaw is still looking a bit broad to me, so I'm just going to reduce the volume here a bit. Okay, I think this is